Okay, hello guys. Today I want to tell you about the solution of .dll problems. Sometimes we might face this problem, something like this, that pop up in our PC or desktop when we want to open the other program like Zoom, Line, or Word, or something like application that we installed in our desktop, something like this. And when we click OK or close it, it will come and come again. It will pop up again and pop up again and pop up again, and we must unbox it in the task manager. So how to fix it? I found there's 6 methods that we can try to fix it. I found this in Google, in internet, or in YouTube, and the last one is only my idea. So I will tell you guys how I fix this. Now, when I open Zoom and Line, it's already fixed. But before, in March 22, it's not work. It's not solved. I can open my Zoom, I can open my Line and the others. First, I want to share you guys. I try to replace. I try to download the .dll files in Google. In this website, I try to find my problem. My problem is text input framework.dll, and wait a minute, and dev api.dll. So I find out that .dll in the website like this. And you could install it to your desktop. And after I install it, I extract it, and this is the .dll files that clean and pure, and this is the good one. I want to replace this to my system 32 in Windows folder and system 32 folder. I want to replace it in this place, in this folder. Or you could delete this and copy and paste it, the file that you downloaded. But when I try it, it can be done because this file is still used by the other program, and I don't know what program is. So I can't do the first one. So I try to do the second step. I open command prompt and I run this command. But yeah, before I open it, we must run it by administrator. And we just paste it and enter. But in the first time, I can run it. I don't know why, but it's not works. So I tried the other command that I found in Google, in internet, in here, or in here. And after I try it works, and it's in 100%, and I restart my PC. But after I restart it and I try again to open my Zoom and Line and the other apps, it's not works. It's still same. So I try to copy the notepad, the content of the notepad of the file, the content of the file that I download this to this file. I want to copy the content to replace the content, not the file, but the content. I open file, but open with notepad. We know that DLL cannot be opened by notepad, but I force it because I want to copy the content and paste it in this file. This will take a little bit long time because there's so much character in this notepad. When you face this, you only need to Control A and after it Control C to copy it and open again the your file in system32 folder and do the same. After it, you Control A and then Control V to paste it after it's saved. But when I try it cannot be done because, again, the program is still used by the other program. I mean, the file is still used by the other program, so I can save it. So it's not works again. So I try the last one, clean boot PC, and try step 1 till 3. So I clean boot my PC. How to clean boot PC? First, you must find out the system configuration. And after it, you go to the services and hide all Microsoft service. Don't disable Microsoft service. Just disable the other service beside of Microsoft. So after you hide all the Microsoft services and you disable all. After you disable all, you go to the task manager and then you disable all the startup. Disable this all. How to disable it? Right click and after it disable. As simple as like that. And after it done, restart your PC and then try again the apps that you can't run before. After I restart my PC, it still not works. So I try again, step 1 till 3, for I to know it works or not after I clean boot my PC. So I try to replace it again and it still not works because it's still used by the other program. But when I try SFC scan now in my command prompt, it works. It's run. And after it completely done in 100%, and I restart my PC again, and I try the zoom and the line, it works well like usual. So I doesn't need to uninstall my PC and reinstall Windows again. So it works. Praise the Lord. So we don't need to run the last step, the 6th step. That this is the most risky step because we don't know what program that we end task in our task manager. But I think it's a good enough step that we must to try before we reinstall our PC, because I think reinstall Windows is the last technique when we want to solve software problem in our PC. I hope this video useful for you all. So the conclusion of the problem, the conclusion of the solution is, first you must clean boot your PC by using the system configuration, services, and hide all Microsoft services, disable all, and the startup also in Task Manager and disable all. After it, you restart your PC, and then you run in your command prompt as administrator by using SFC space / scan now and enter. Wait till 100%. After it's done, restart again your PC. After it, you go again to the system configuration services. You uncheck the hide all Microsoft service and then enable all. It will enable again the other services that maybe your apps need it. After you go again to the startup and you enable all startup that you need to enable. After you restart again your PC and try the apps that you want to use. Maybe it's solved. Thank you.